Hello everybody, this is Juan from All Solar Clean Services of Orlando. I hope everybody is doing great. I just want to let you know that we just reached a big milestone. We just hit 65,000 panels clean in just a few years. I would like to thank you to all my clients, friends and family who have supported us through these years. But we are not stopping in there. We would like to keep going. And also just let you know that we also do commercial carports, farms, everything that it has solar panels. This house, we just did it a few hours ago, and look, they look clean and producing energy. That's the way the panels should be looking at. Well, remember, we got 2 months, two things coming up, Halloween and Christmas. During those two times of the year, we're gonna consuming more electricity than normal. That's why you need to have your solar panels clean and producing 100% energy. I would like to thank you, all of you, to keep following us in YouTube, our channel, your channel. Just click below and you are be a part of the brand new channel that you will be loving it. Why? Because we explain to people how to clean the right way, how do's and how don'ts. So guys, if you want to get a hold of us, give us a call at 407-663-3148, or you can find us on allsolarcleanservices.com on our website. Thank you. Have a good day.